The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Wednesday? Yeah, that's it, Wednesday. I hope everyone's having a great day so far. NQ is falling like a rock. We've been here before, haven't we? Yesterday. Look at this move down. Last hour, it's come down about 60 points. It tried to rise up last night. We hit a high. It's hard to kind of tell on this chart. Let's go to a 15. It's still kind of scrunchy. Hit a high of 219. The low for the night was 089. So about 130 points of range. You see it coming down now. Falling. Morning, DN. Welcome. And not a lot of oomph in the other markets I've noticed. Copper, very small range. Just made a new daily low, actually, so a little bit bigger range. But only about 100 ticks. Gold, only about 7 points there, looks like. UltraBond. Hey, UltraBond's actually been moving better than in most things. It's about 1.5 points. Natural gas has been coming down after hitting a high in the Asia session last night. But still, that's only about 150 ticks. And last but not least, oil. It's kind of crude. A little under 2 points of range. So now we get ready to see what we can do with the markets. I didn't update my P&L. Hold on, I'm down a little bit. Give me a second while I find that. 255. Asia didn't go my way. Asia didn't go my way. Trying to be more aggressive. We'll see how that goes. Of course, yesterday after the stream, we just kept coming down and down and down and down. We went down. I think he actually lost more than 5% yesterday. People were starting to worry that we might see a circuit breaker halt. Didn't get that far, but you know, our low of the day yesterday, 82. We're at 130 now. Be interesting. About 24 hours ago, I was wondering if we would get above 13,000. And now I'm sitting here wondering if we're going to go back below 12,000. So it's quite a move. We do have news today. We have the PPI report. What is the PPI report? Well, that's inflation on the business side of things, from what I understand. That comes up here in a little under an hour from now. And we also have crude oil inventories at 10:30. Morning, Crypticon. Crypticon was killing it last night in Asia. Morning, Robin. How are you doing today? I'm doing alright. Still waking up. So, my algo overnight has been killing it. My gauntlet, my account that's not a Tostep account, up $269. I went to bed, it was down about 200, so nice reversal. And I got tests that are up between 1,000 and 3,000, 3,600. So algo definitely killing it, liking the market overnight after having its first red day since I've been testing it yesterday. So that makes me a happy ox. And a happy ox is a good ox. And Q's trying to pop up. And this is where I started getting in trouble yesterday. Trying to guess where this might stop. And I'm just not liking it there either. Nice, Crypticon. I just don't start trading early enough for that. Or something. I need to stop the sleeping stuff. I used to drink coffee, but I really don't anymore. Get my caffeine from Coke Zero. Reminder, a week from today is FOMC. We'll be doing an extended live stream from our normal starting time till 3 p.m. So we'll be just trading the day away. Sneeze. CNQ is kind of playing with its EMA in public. And I got some eggs in front of me, so I'm going to eat those while we watch the market. But I'll mute so you don't need to hear me chew. Pop up, and these are the hardest ones to figure out. Well, and I'm gonna let it go because this could just be a pullback of the downward move, like here. I don't want it to fake me out, so we'll see. So let's see if this ends up being a good in or a fake out. Good in or a fake out. If you're enjoying today's content, or if you expect to enjoy today's content, please hit that like button so the YouTube algorithm knows that you like it. Because believe it or not, Google has not figured out a way to read your mind yet. I'm sure it's coming in a couple of years. It came up, we're coming right back down, maybe. Maybe. Yep, right back down. That's a 9-point candle. Now the low of this move here is 122. We're at 130. Nice job, Robin. You're better at grabbing those than I am. I kind of wait. Sometimes wait too long. So we're short here. One contract. Top of that last candle for a stop. See if it continues down. Looks like it doesn't want to. Try to bounce there off that Bollinger. Gonna go back to eating as we watch to see whether. Ooh, but I guess it's gonna stop me out. Let's go back to eating my eggs and watch. This looks like we might be ready to finally come up, though, if this stops me out. This up, down, up move. That's looking better all of a sudden. Let's see what it does. I'm in at 132 and not mind to see it come back down to that 122. No profit target sitting on it. I'll let it roll down, and if it stalls somewhere, I'll get out. There we go. There's a move. Come on, ride that band down. Morning, Matt. Up. Watching this come down. Nice. I'm gonna start moving my stop and trail in it. Yeah, I saw that, Matt. That's that problem. We were trending down, and I mean, it tried to fake me out. That's where the band thing can possibly maybe prevent that. The band, I don't know. We'll look back at those tests. Don't seem to do as good, so I don't know. Nice, Crypticon. We should all try to break out of our AM boxes. What are we getting down to here? 120 seems to be a sticking point. See if it can break on through to the other side. Who authorized the break? You think this is a union shop? Cutting it. So it didn't end up as much as I had hoped. Oh, I ended up getting $90. I know, I was kidding around, Crypticon. Should have taken it for the 200. Tried to give it room, but unfortunately I gave over half back. It's that whole trail it versus just take it fight. And now, yep, right back down. I hate that. It came up, it tickled my entry point, and came right back down. And look at that. So 82 is our low of yesterday. 89 is the low of today. Are we gonna go lower? I thought about adding that, but I thought it might end up getting used too much. And we'll continue to run down. So the bigger mistake there, I should have just did 2 contracts. But it's going to give us more opportunities today, so you can see it's been running really nice most of the night. So we watch. It continues to dip down. Anything else doing anything exciting? Oh, gold has had a dip. Big dip. Big dipper. Copper's been... It's an interesting pattern. Big candle down, grind back up. Big candle down, grind back up. Big candle down, trying to grind back up. We are about 8 minutes until the top of the hour. Breakfast is done. Just need to take some supplements and we are rocking and rolling and good to go. Try to come down to kind of break through 100. Break on through. Hello, Umar. No, I'm not in a trade right now. I was in one earlier, got about 4.5 points right here. You can see the little numbers on the screen. I'm sure if I can make those bigger or not. I have to look. In there, out there, should have stayed in. Would have been so much nicer if I had stayed in. Agriculture overnight. Up and down, it looks like. Don't honestly know. I mean, honestly, I didn't expect the huge dump we saw yesterday. So, you know, can it go down more? I think so. I mean, first of all, September is very bloody, it seems like. If we go back and we turn back time, you know it's coming. Turn back time. Back to December of 2020, I mean September of 2020, which is here. This is a daily chart. And we had a day like we had yesterday, 2 years ago, where we came down 611 points. And that was followed up by another 251 points and another 488 points. So over 3 days, you lost about 1,300 points, and the full move into the middle of the month was about 2,000. Last year wasn't as dramatic, but this was September of last year. It was more of a slower grind down. But we had 2 big down days during it. It went into the beginning of October, and we lost about 1,700 total points in September before starting a nice rally. So could we continue to come down? Absolutely. You can see here, just back earlier this month, well, last week, our lows were 11,921. So it'll be interesting to see if we can break 12,000. Thank you for that, Daniel. AQ is within 5 points of the Globex low. So we are definitely falling. It's fallen here 100 points or so in an hour and a half. I follow Financial Juice. Where's my streaming software? There it is. FinancialJuice.com does it pretty quick. Gets it up pretty quick. That's my news site. You can see it has a calendar on the side of all the different news from all the different countries. And they usually have the number within a few seconds. Oops. Sorry guys, looks like I have a fan hitting the mic. Give me a minute, I'll fix that. So, did we break Globex? Yep, we just broke Globex low. 82 is the low from yesterday. So that one little hiccup got me out of that trade. I hate that. Or else I'll still be in following this down perfectly. Because it's even coming down perfectly. Where if I could just follow candle by candle, I would still be in this trade. And I'll be up 50 points. That's correct. It's what the experts think it's going to be. Experts, in quotation marks, but little bounce here. Did not get down to the low of 82 from yesterday. Be interested to see whether or not we bounce from here or if it's just a little pullback. Okay, first of all, don't ever apologize for asking questions. It's kind of the reason I started the stream, so we can all learn from one another and feed off of one another. So never be ashamed to ask questions. That's a good question, and honestly, we want the number to be lower for when it comes to inflation, because the lower the number means the better inflation is getting. But the markets can still act erratic even if the numbers look good. Sometimes it does the exact opposite of what you expect. It's why I kind of, I kind of wait to see what the market wants to do before I jump in on anything. Because sometimes the market surprises you. Just hit 80, so we broke yesterday's lows and bounced. Yeah, it goes for anybody listening. Don't be afraid to ask, and if I don't know the answer, I'll be very honest. I'm not going to just make up something that sounds good to make myself sound smart. But oftentimes there's other people here in the stream that will have an answer. We have a lot of good people here. Top of the hour. A little bit of a bounce. A nice little bounce. Oops. Oh yeah, what's Bitcoin doing? Just out of curiosity. I don't have Bitcoin, but ooh, That's an interesting spike there. Try to hang on to that 20,000. A little bit of a rise up here. I believe it was 8.1 and it came in at 8.3. I believe that's what it was. Give me a second, I believe I can find that information. I think I posted it somewhere. I talk too much on the Discord. Let's see. Yeah. 8.3 year over year versus an estimate of 8.1. And the core CPI was 6.3 versus an estimate of 6.1. So it was only a miss by 2%. 0.2%. But that scared people because people thought it was going to be better than estimate because of the gas prices coming down and the fact that it was actually hotter with gas prices coming down was not a good sign. Good question. I mean, I don't see why PPI would be different than what CPI was yesterday in the terms, but we'll see. Be interesting. It's definitely going to be an interesting morning, I think. We'll see what happens here. News is about 25 minutes away. We do have a move up here. We hit 12,080 and a quarter. We've popped back up to 12,100 and a quarter, 12,101. So about a 20-point pop back up to the EMA. If it pops back down from there. Markets are kind of quiet right now, although natural gas has boomed. Sneezy and snotty this morning. Hello, Connor. Welcome. Good morning, Kieran. How are you guys doing today? Let me see if I can find an allergy pill here. I really should clean up my messy desk. Don't know where it got to. There's NQ trying to come up here. Strongly downward trending bands, but kind of constricting. I don't know. Kind of like it here, kind of don't. This could be more of a fake out. Wait, what? So I did not take that trade. We'll see if that's a mistake or not. Up, it's coming right back down. Or it's trying to. See if it does, if it breaks back through. About 20 minutes till PPI. Yep, right back down. Oh yeah, BTC just shot down. Shot down in a blaze of glory. A little bit of a pop back up. See what it does here. Yep. What the heck does that mean? For a while, she looked like a genius, but lately her moves have not been great. just kind of hanging here. It is rising up, so maybe I should have taken it. This would have been the trigger candle. 107, only 112, so it's only gone 5 points so far. We'll watch. I try to figure out what the heck's going on with my account here. That's fine. Watching it. Yep. So I should have. We're rising up here. But it was hard to tell when that's going to happen after a long move down. Yep, 15 minutes till news. to do. So we're watching here. Give me a minute. I'm having an issue entering cloud. Oh well. Yeah, crude is really heading up there, isn't it? Watching this. Sorry, guys, I got distracted for a minute. So 107 up to 125 has been a great trade. I did not take it because I couldn't tell whether this was just another quick pullback, like here or here. But once it went up, down, up, I should have taken it. But so we'll see. Oh yeah. Well, I'm having a problem on that account anyway, so it won't take a trade. But you're still up on the day, right, Matt? Uh, uh, well, I have two accounts there, right? Somehow the one account came up for renewal, but for some reason the settings in my account changed to PayPal, and the right settings weren't in there, so they couldn't renew that account. So they somehow, because the rhythmic IDs are connected, they've sort of disconnected both of them. I don't know why. When I first got the Air, I was like, how did I break a rule? But I didn't. That's the one problem with their whole connecting rhythmic accounts is that if something happens with one, they end up disconnecting them all. Anyway, so That's fine. It's up. That one's up 187 on the day, 178, something like that. Yeah. It's only the second day, so we'll be fine. I'll argue with them after I get off stream. My back itches today. Not that y'all wanted to know that. So I missed a good trade there, but it's so hard to tell when it's going to reverse after a long trend. But you can see here, this was just one pass. But here, if you look here, kind of up and then down and then back up. And even if I had waited to here, more kind of a confirmation, it'd still have been good. So we're watching here. We are 5 minutes or so from news. How's that crude trade go up? Leveled out. So you were looking, Connor, you were looking for 87.18. Ooh, just barely missed it there, huh? Still hanging. Could be bull flagging. Connor, you just trade crude? Cool. Me and crude have a love-hate relationship. Nice bounce by BTC there after that move down. So PPI coming up in 5. I will say, if I remember correctly, PPI does not affect the markets as much as CPI does. I've been meaning to keep a database on this or some tracking it somehow, but I never do. I never do. So, one win so far this morning. Still down a little bit from last night, though. Let's see what we get after the PPI. Are you down with PPI? Yeah, you know I. Sorry, that was horrible. So I'll leave the algos running for PPI, test algos. Needs to rise up just a little bit more for most of those to hit target. So interesting to see what happens there. Minute and a half. Let's get excited, everyone. Throw your hands in the air. I never said I was sane, people. Never said I was sane. "30 seconds. The red EMA that turns green when it's going up, that's a 30. The blue and the white is a 20. Yep. Whoa, boom. Whoa, boom, and then back. So he boomed up about 18 points and then backwards. Give me a second, I'll get you the PPI numbers. Thank you. Yeah, I mean, you're welcome, and thank you for the question. PPI. Not seeing it yet. Okay, PPI year over year, 8.7. They expected 8.8, so it's a slight beat. Core PPI, 7.3. They expected 7, so that was a miss. Month over month, 0.4. They expected 0.3, so that was a miss. So it's kind of a mixed numbers, if I'm understanding right. And Canadian manufacturing also came out, negative 0.9. That hit what was expected. And the market doesn't know what it wants to do here. You can see by that interesting looking candle there. So it burst up to 157, down to 110, finished only 6 points from where it started. And the next candle's not really doing much. One number was good, two were misses, so it's kind of mixed. There's like 4 different numbers that come out. It's the monthly and the yearly, and then the core. So some missed, one missed. I mean, I'm sorry, one was better than expected, 2 were worse than expected. And now it seems like we're coming down. Down, down, down in a burning ring of PPI. Yeah, it was silly for me. Strong move down here. Not sure it's a sustained move here yet. So technically, this is a trigger candle, kind of waiting though. You can see why. As they're popping back up. Popping fresh dough. And being beaten right back down. Very indecisive here. Maybe back down. We have an down, up, down move. We shall see. Algos are trying to digest this news. The big algos, like from the banks and stuff. And I think it's indecisive about what they want to do. Algos are fighting algos. Everybody was algo fighting. Yep, now we're upwards. So it was a nice bounce down off those bands. Fortunately, I think the algo is put short. Rising up. I should be. I don't know. Oh, I want a trigger candle back up. Technically against my strategy though, because it was still below the yellow line. But it would have been great for a quick burst of 10 points. So, Glarg. Still have not gotten above that spike, that new spike. Really? Mine took shorts here on that candle. Are you still using one where the band comes into effect, Matt? Mine took a loss and did not re-enter on the long. Oh, well, that's cheating. No. we're watching. What's everything else doing? Yeah, gold. That's an interesting candle there. Crude still trying to grind up. Got above that level that Connor was looking for. Copper made a nice move back up. It's kind of meh. Treasuries came down at their market open, now trying to fight back up. And natural gas just blowing up here. I don't know. I kind of want to go long here, and yet I don't. I do, but feel like it'll be a FOMO move, but guess I'll wait. This would have been an excellent trade if I'd taken the trigger, but I doubted my trigger, and because it was below that, just wasn't the right setup for me, even though it worked. Hey, Rod, how's it going? Trying to get above that spike there, and it just did. Nice move up. So at one algo that was not in that short, for whatever reason, it's taken this long and it's working out really well. So it looks like the market might have liked PPI, but we'll see. Could just be algos that liked it so far. So, interesting development on in the prop firm world here. Multiple people today are getting emails from Apex moving them to live accounts. So we've hit a high on this move of 166. Our high of the Globex, I guess you should say, was 219. Still 50 points away from there, 55, something like that. There's a nice rise up. So now the market could just be looking for any type of good news to try and, build back from yesterday and fill some gaps, but we'll see. Great job, Connor. Good win there on Crude. Nice move. It was a beautiful move up there. So we're up to 167. See if it's pausing there. ES is pausing and pulling back here. It's off my screen. There we go. Everything's doing a little bit of a pullback. Gold, crude, ES, NQ. UltraBond's taking off though. Yep, they're right. Another leg up here on NQ. So this has been a beautiful move on NQ. It's really, I mean, the news just caused the pullback of the move that started there, basically. That was the move that I was afraid to jump in because we've been downtrending. I thought it might be just a fake out to the upside. And then this one, I just wasn't the right setup, but obviously it worked very well. Nice job, Matt. Nice. All my algos are quiet right now. The one I have on copper is actually having a beautiful day. That one's up 1,600. It's a good idea, Matt. I think the open could be weird today. So a little bit of a pullback here. Looks like maybe this is hit 171. Trying to look over here. Not really any major. I mean, that was a possible resistance area there. You know, we may really have found something here, Matt. Although that included, you did uh, a heart thumper yesterday on that account too, didn't you? Watching it. So we came down by 13 points in that candle. It's come up about halfway back up. Crawling back up. See if this breaks through. Gonna break on through to that other side. I need new material. I've said that like 3 times already this morning. Okay, that's a trigger candle. Got 10 seconds to go on it. Short, 2 contracts. Wish me luck. The stops at the top of that last candle, which was about 10 points. Only 10 points? 15. And not liking it so far. Now I'm liking it more. And at 43, setting a target of 33. Yeah. Good job, Matt. Slow and steady wins that race. Meanwhile, this is not looking good. This is looking like it's trying to bounce. Well, 8.5 minutes to the energy markets open. I'm going to take a full... I might have to take a full stop out on this. We'll see, though. It could smell when I do 2 contracts. Yep. And out. Ouch. So, that sucked. Everything was set up for that to come down. The bands are contracting downward. The RSI's, it was under its moving average. Everything's set up right, and that's why I went with 2, and I took the beating for it. Yeah, I guess it kind of did. But yeah, I mean, yeah, it did there, but obviously it blew through VWAP there. It blew through VWAP coming down with no issues. So, VWAP didn't play much of a factor there. So this is the one time that VWAP worked. The last 4 times VWAP didn't matter. So the high of this previous move, 171. Let's see if it gets back above there. See, these bands are still trying to contract. Right at that same spot. Yep, trying to break through. I really like that setup. We had a down, up, down move. Everything was just pointing right, and then it just whoop. So good morning, CBR. How are you doing? We got up to 178. High of the glow back. High of overnight was 219. So we're watching. 3 minutes till top of the hour. Crude's been moving strongly up. Oh wait, that's natural gas. Crude's been moving up too. Dip down, then back up. See what that does when its market opens here in a couple minutes. And a pull back. Hey, trade together. Taking a short, are you? We have just a couple minutes before the top of the hour, see what Crude does there when the market opens. 30 minutes or so until the equities open. Took a full loss earlier on 2 contracts, unfortunately. Just didn't work out the way I thought it would. Hopefully we can get that back. Top of the hour. I like this setup again. Oh, didn't hold. Crude, not doing much here as its market opens. Not sure it's what natural gas is doing. Natural gas is rising. Oh, here comes NQ China again. Not the strongest trigger candle in the world, that's for sure. Nope, went away. Flirting with it. Theoretically, it's a trigger, but not strong enough for me. C is for cookie, and that's good enough for me. Yeah, it's a better candle. That's better, not butter. Taking the short here. Normally I wait till the candle closes, but I kind of like that move. I'm going to tighten that stop some. Not too tight, but may play with me again here. If I had taken the actual trigger candle there, I would have been much better off. Again, it's trying to pop up. That was technically the trigger, and then I would have got that move down. Here it's trying to come back at me. $10 on this 1 minute candle. Of course, we're still at VWAP. A little above it. I mean, it might be a factor again. Yeah. I never look at VWAP other times, so but it looks like I'm gonna get stopped out again. Yep. So 2 pullbacks in a row that were perfect setups just didn't work. So idiot me doing it twice in a row. So switching to micros because I'm hurting today. Watching and waiting here. Reminder, I'm on Sharevision every night. 7:45 Eastern Time, trading the Asia session. Hey Ace. Morning, baby fish. How's your week been? Thank you, Ace. I appreciate that. Um, I'm surviving. Looks like I will not be getting my bonus from Tostep because I just can't seem to trade any. I traded wonderfully for 3 weeks and then forgot how to trade since then. I was hoping we were going to zero yesterday. So I'm trying to figure out how this just faked me out twice. I'm aware of that growth, thank you. And they often work. I've backtested this strategy. It just, this time, it didn't. I mean, right here, this was counter trend, and it worked. You know, I'm on. That's why. Where's all my drawings? That's why I switched to M&Q. I'm not going to mark up M&Q as well, but I mean, counter trends do work when the trend comes to an end. Yeah, it sucks today, Jay, but all good. Walking, what are you trying to do? Get healthy? See, again, this move down that I'm not taking is probably going to work. Hey, there's a train. By the way, I haven't checked if there's any movement on that rail strike thing. Yep. Still no movement on the railroad strike, which could cause massive supply chain issues when we're already having supply chain issues. Yep. So this one might not work as well. We're just watching here. It is kind of like butting heads up here. Doom, doom, doom. Oh, crude. Wow. Yeah, crude rose up nicely. Crude's been the star of the day. I should have been just doing crude. Crude always bites me. So was I counter trend trading there? Kinda, yes. But you can see it's leveling out. I mean, yeah, it pulled back. This did not get that much higher. And this didn't get much higher. And now it does look like we want to come down. I was using a 15-point stop. It's not sure what it wants to do. Excuse me 1 second. Class. If he's a high schooler making good money, I'm going to be upset. No, I'm kidding. Have a good day, Connor. So it looks like it's still. I still think we're coming down. I just wasn't using a wide enough stop. I know we have a very strong dollar. I'm not sure what the Canadians are doing. Hey, growth mindset. I came across kind of gruff there, and I apologize. Was not meant to be like not snapping at you, But when I enter a trade, I do realize if I'm going counter trend, and I weigh that fact before I enter. I'm looking for basically in both of these, see how this is, and this may not come down yet, but see how this looks like it's coming down. It's what I expected here and here. If this finally breaks, now I didn't take this trade, but if it breaks, then that's what I was looking for here and here. And I especially looked for it here because we already had it came down once. Now the whole VWAP thing, and I don't look at VWAP. I have it on, but I very rarely look at it because, like I said, obviously VWAP didn't matter there and there and there and there and there and there. But so 1 out of 6 times VWAP this time mattered. But I still feel we are coming down. It just happened that both times I tried it, it didn't work. Well, right now we are choppy, as Jason says. Choppiness, choppiness, choppiness. And this is also more indication, we could be heading down, up, up, up. I don't know. I don't believe in those whole patterns, but maybe it's I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah. Really? A long signal in ES? Ew. Yeah. ES looks ugly right now. Just as ugly than Q. Although, don't tell it I said that because we're all about chart and candle positivity here. It's actually going down. Went down 2 points. But it's just, we're squeezy, we're ugly. But I think we're going down. But we're now also 12 minutes to the bell, so who knows. Morning, Andrew. And gas has just been rising. Wow. Holy wow. Really? So that would have been my trigger candle right at 8 o'clock. And it's come up over 300 ticks. Wow. That's all I need is one move like that on 2 contracts. But well, now it's rising up, so maybe Ace's signal was still not looking that great. And Q, just hanging here. Copper just sent a short signal. I absolutely agree. Ace. I will say though, I mean, CFT just being mainly a treasuries trader, I think it doesn't matter as much for treasuries as it does for the indices. Here's that potential move down. I said down, right? I was just wrong twice before it might be working. Let's draw that out. That would have been, let's draw that out. That would have been my signal right there. Let's see what it does. Let's see if it gives me 15. They might give you money to not run outside in your robe taking the trash can to the street. Okay. Still choppy here, so we'll see if that goes anywhere. Choppiness into the open. Rest of the market still not really doing anything either besides natural gas. And crude. Crude's also been nice. Yeah, I do come on 2 hours before the open. Mainly because we kind of always have news roaming around at 8:30, and I don't like to just pop on like 5 minutes before news hits. So I settled on 7:30 Eastern, 6:30 my time to start getting up a trade. So I was wrong about this going down. Ace was right about it going up. So market's just not. I mean, it's butting up against that same area. We hit 77 there, we hit 74 there, we hit 72 there. Uh, what is it, Matt? Now you got me curious. This isn't something that's gonna get my channel banned, is it, Matt? Babyfish, what's your thought on the potential rail strike and the impact on the markets and commodities? We are 90 seconds to the bell as we go to whatever this is that Matt sent. What was this guy doing? Wow, that was interesting, Matt. That guy must have been a little bit messed up. Yep, that's what I was thinking. That's So yeah. I think an ox would have a good chance versus a bull. That really sucks, fish. Sorry to hear that. Here's the open. Ding, 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 ding. Ring-a-ling, my ding-a-ling. Sorry. Anyway. And Q not sure where it wants to go. It doesn't know where it's going. It only knows where it's been. Dropping down. 8. Did not turn the algos off. Let's see what they do. Yep, here's that move down. By the way, so if I had used a 15-point stop, I can't get 15. It still would have stopped me up. Looks like by 1 tick. Anyway, so let's see where we go here. I don't know what we're doing. Right now it's still sideways as heck. Slightly green now. Move up. Ooh. Finding some footing. That's footing, not pudding. Pulling back. And down. And finally maybe a downward momentum move. This was a trigger candle. But the next candle popped up by 22 points, so it would have stopped me out. So that's why I'll never take an opening candle as a trigger. Although I am on micros now, so market's really indecisive. Great job, Crypticon. Up, down, down, down. Now we got momentum. ES is down 6 points since the open. And NQ down 43. Wow, really? That was quick. Yeah, it really is. Sugar candle on the 5-minute, but at this point, my confidence is gone for the day. $50 points down on NQ, 10 points on ES. Little bounce here. So Crypticon, are you up like close to 5,000 now between last night and today? So I kept feeling like down was the direction, and I was right. But I mean, I could keep saying that until it eventually works. So I'm not gonna like say, "Oh, I was definitely right." I just, I did feel like we were coming down. I just got faked out twice beforehand. We just we're close to breaking 12,100. Low of the session 12,080. Though it just bounced off 12,100 back up to 12,10. 12, sorry, 12,110. I would love to just have one day like that past this top step. So far, 100's the wall. Well, technically 99 and a quarter, but you know. Everything else doing here. Gold, slight little move down. Crude's kind of all of a sudden this blah, 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 blah. Natural gas continues to head up. Copper's just kind of there. UltraBond's kind of snaking. Wheat, look at the wheat fall. Yeah, back down, just broke 100 again. Not sticking so far, that move down. That's what the hourly chart looks like. It just keeps trying to come down, and but actually is heading back up to 12,120. Strong rise up. So far, the algos didn't like the open. Strong candle there, 20 points, back up to 12,130. Getting close to 89 level on crude. So we hit a low of 12,098, which was popped all the way back up to 12,138. So 40-point pop. Just tickled the EMA. Chat keeps dying on my phone. Not sure why. And it tickled it twice and pulling back. Twice tickled. Trying to get back that whole candle there. And did, and down. Where are we heading? Choppiness. Obviously, there's one nice move down there. Pop and then drop. But we're not really moving. My guess is Ace got his 2 points on that fall, though. Uh, it's actually worse than that. I haven't updated it. Yeah. I'm very close to blowing the top step. I took 2 full losses on 2 contracts each, so up, rising up. This is technically a trigger candle. And not anymore. That's why I'm on micros now, trying to get some back. Long here, 3 micros. But no stop loss. That's not good. There we go. Of course, this is working nice on 3 micros, because if I had done this on a regular contract, it would have been absolutely hard. Whoa. Okay. Look at that. Wow. And that with 2, gonna hold 1. Of course, if I had done that with a regular contract, that would have never happened. That would have got me out of my issue there. Anyway, I need to stop. 1. Look at that. Man. Yeah, but it sucks that I switched to micros. I had done that with two minis. This would have been a couple $1,000 trade. I'm up $128 on 1 micro because I already cashed out 2. 140 now, so that'd be $1,400 on just this 1 contract. Somewhere CFT's laughing at me. Okay, I'm out of that trade. All in all, is about $250. So that was the perfect setup, obviously. I was late by 5 points, so that'd been even better if I hadn't been late. But, Good job, Kieran, by the way. Pretty good call of when to get out. That quickly, we went from trying to break 100 to almost tickling the high of the day. So hit 213. We're already back down to 69. It's like a 40-point drop, something like that. Early morning math, though it's technically no longer early morning. So I should have hit, I should have hit short. This was definitely looked like a reversal candle. Big wick, small body. Wish I had a small body. Anyway, and it's gone 28 points since then, so that would have been a smart move. Back down to the EMA. See if it bounces here. Bouncing baby EMA. Trying to send me a short signal here. Still above the moving average on the RSI. That is a trigger candle, but still above that moving average. We're not taking it there. We'll see if that bites me in the behind. Hey, it is a bounce. This bounces back up. If it comes back above that last candle, we'll take this as a long. Oh, it's fighting back down. We're fighting here around 12,155. Bears winning. Move down. Wait, I mean if it come, I'm confused, RJ. Up here come the buyers. Wow, it's an 18-point candle here. Okay, so we're at 12,171 now. Okay, that's why I was confused. RJ, are you on September contract? RJ, when are you gonna roll? You're on everyone else is on December, you're still in September. Okay, but your NQ numbers are September. Right back down there. That's why I was confused. I'm like 137. Wait. We're sitting here at one fighting at 155, and I was like, what? Crude's kind of leveled out above 89. At 89.63 it looks like. Pull back some. Gold's kind of erratic. You're in long, Kieran? Okay. Top of the hour coming up. Remember, crude oil inventories in about half an hour. Back to December. I don't know the words to that song. I'm just kind of waiting to see if it stops barking. I see our bands are kind of constricting some. Contracting, constricting, whatever. I'm just kind of waiting here till it stops going up and down. That made no sense. It always goes up and down, but you know what I mean. It's more sure a direction. Ooh, sorry about the yawn. I'm not sure where that came from. There we go. Kind of like that there. Taking along 3 micro contracts. I need to stop. So where did I set that stop? Way too far away. You know, this is another great micro trade that could have been a great regular trade. Maybe not. Coming right back down, hit. Where do we hit? 196. That said, I'm in at 181, so that if I was in a regular trade, a regular size contract there, I could have got a quick 300 bucks. This fight between micros and minis. Don't like the way those bands are closing in over top of that price action. Trying to come back up. Does it have one more burst in it? Kind of get above the overnight high of 219? Morning high is 213. Oh yeah, that's another thing I didn't do. Let's draw out that first 10-minute range. Doesn't really seem to be all that valid today. There. It's above that 10-minute range right now. It's fighting there, actually. Dip down, back, and in it, and back up. I'm really starting to like marking out that opening 10-minute range. I just forget about it. Nope, it's going to stop me out. So I had a chance to there, if anyone listens to my debate on micros, one of the things about it, I said how you sometimes treat micros different than minis when you're trading with them. And right there, I should have got out after that move up. I'm in at 181 and it went up to 196. So I would have killed that trade if I was using minis, but I didn't. Looking for more, and it might still come up here, but that was definitely not, definitely not trading the same way. Uh, Algo status. They did really well overnight. They've pulled back since. There's 5 of them that are above $1,000 on the day. Several others green. Um, I just got stopped out. Yeah, but they shouldn't be a permanent thing. I mean, if you trust your strategy, then eventually you want to go up to the major leagues. But to start off with, micros are very good. But if you plan on staying on micros your entire trading career, and you have a profitable strategy, you're just costing yourself money. And that also, Jay, it also depends which firm you're with. Some are worse for commissions on micros than others. But I think this is going to stop me out and then go. No, maybe not. I have no idea what it's doing. Well, I'm only allowed to do 10 on the Tostep account, Crypticon. Popping back up. I'm gonna blame this week on carbohydrates. I will say this: if the algos keep running as well as they are, I could see myself giving up manual trading. I was just doing that to get some stress off Crypticon, and I didn't realize it came through the mic. So it bounced back up. Technically, this was a trigger candle there. And see, obviously at 2 micros, with one regular contract, I could have taken that quick move up there for 20 points. That would have been only a couple bucks on micros. I don't know. By the way, if anyone, it depends on your broker. Jay, some people can get started with micros for as little as 500 bucks. Burl, it's my strategy with the trigger candles, and I just have various. I'm trying out various stop losses and profit targets. The best are actually bigger targets and bigger losses. 120 This is in ticks. 120 it's over 60 at 149 over 80. Sounds like blood pressure. Just very choppy now. $22 trading days in an average month. Choppiness, unfortunately, it stopped me out there, but it's staying above this level. Anyway, bro, to answer your question, this week I'm trying out a different, some different parameters, and the 1 algo set at 149 tick profit target, 80 tick stop loss with the 20 EMA. No ATM on it, so it either hits target or hits full stop. That sucker is up $6,000 this week on one NQ contract. I'm an atheist. NQ, so we pulled back here by 21 and now try to pull back up. Yeah, she's right. I mean, you can do a lot with micros, and that's kind of why I fought for the micro side in my big debate with CFT on Friday. And CL moves enough that, two contracts, when it moves a full point, that's $100 a contract. CL moves good. Well, sorry, bad English. Strong candle back up again. Is it going to break to the upside? See, it's tried. It's hit this area here once, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 or 6 times. Has not been able to break through that basically 12,200. No, that would be no. I try to keep the channel politics and religion free. Yeah, I mean, Jay, no one wins 100% of the time. Well, just remember that there's actually 22 days. 20. There's an average of 22 trading days in a given month. Because unfortunately, we haven't convinced the CME yet to open on Saturdays and Sundays. The most trading days you can have in any given month is 23. That's in a 31-day month with 8 weekend days. You can have as little as 20 in shorter months like February. August was actually one of those 23-day trading months. No holidays and only 8 weekend days, so you had 23 weekdays, 23 trading days. This month, thanks to the holiday, I took a holiday. We have 21 technical trading days. $50K a year after taxes. I don't know. Now it looks like we're coming down. I don't know. This is a choppy market. Up, down, up, down. Yes, the Bach futures are taxed at 60% short-term capital gains rate and 40% long-term capital gains rate, and the long-term capital gain rate is much lower tax percentage. I don't know the exact percentages, but now remember, guys, that for anyone that's trading prop firms, most of those give you a 1099, so you don't get the 60-40 advantage. I don't actually know how Topstep does it. I have to find that out. I know ETT, they do, as long as you're with Helios, they do the 60-40 split. But if you're with Apius, you get the 1099. But any that have you on a sim account for as a funded trader, it's a 1099 because you're not actually considered a real professional trader. And still, like I said, some with actual live accounts is also a 1099. So there, you're paying the full, just like the full rate, just as you would like if you were getting a 1099, 1099 from any other place. Which is another advantage to using prop firms as just a kickstart to open your own brokerage account, because you're not, for the most part, most of them, you're not getting the tax advantages that you would normally get trading futures. And here's the move down. I said I thought we were coming down. This pattern kind of, when something constantly can't break through, you often see the break back down. I was going to take the short there, but actually, it actually would have bit me unless I had a 20-point stop. And this move back down. I saw this wick. I thought about taking that one too, but I don't know. This chop is kind of just making me reluctant. Back to the 150 area. Yeah, booking on down is now the direction, and that's kind of that. When I saw it doing this, it kept failing up, tried again, failed, tried again, failed, tried again, failed. Finally got a clean break, tried once more there, failed. I was thinking down. Obviously didn't take it. We'll see where it goes. Like I said, this would have nailed me if I had tried, because I used a 15-point stop, and that would have stopped me out there. I could have tried again once I saw that wick down, and that would have been a good trade right there, obviously. It's come down over 30 points. How far will we fall? We're back inside that opening 10-minute range on NQ. And that low there was 0.98. Kind of sitting there on the dock of the bay. Watching time slip away. That's the direction it seems to be heading right now. Up. Down to 125. Strong move down here. 10:30 reversal may have came a little early. Wow. Yep. Big move down. So we kept chopping. Finally saw weakness there. It tried once more and then failed. That would have actually been the best candle to get in on. We've been very close to getting stopped out on it, but continuing down. And it didn't care about VWAP. But you can see how many times it did kind of bounce off of VWAP here. I don't know. You know, it's hard to tell whether VWAP was a consideration or not. Just blew through it there, though. Nice job, Crypticon. Plus, way less record keeping for what, RJ? $108. Almost out of that, back out of the opening range to the downside there. That moved down. 098 was the low. 082 is the low of the session. We're going short here. 3 micros. See if we can, if we're bursting through. I need to stop. Crap. Nope, not bursting through. Need to get out. Out. So we bounced there. Went for the break, didn't really break. I mean, it broke, but it didn't. No problem. Wasn't my normal play. But I thought we had more room to the downside there. And we may. I just can't afford to take the hit. Oh, I forgot about crude oil inventories. Crude popped a bit there, but not a lot. Let's go look at the news. And I forget, crude oil inventories can have a little bit of effect on the indices. Actual 2.442 million. The forecast was 1.85 million. Hello, glitch. Nope, that's where it bounced. Crude bounced a little bit, then right back down by 34 ticks. Strong candle back up, so big bounce. Yep. Took the exact wrong position at the exact wrong time. Great job, glitch. Back down. Fighting here. There we go. Long. We're in at 46. Let's see if we head up here. Do have constricting bands, so looking for a small profit if we get it. Yep, looks like not. We were heading up, now back down. Playing inside that opening range. Watching. See if it comes back up for me. There we go. There's a move up. Right back down. Got room, but those bands are still like 40 points, 30 points, so 35 points away. Watching. Struggling here, but staying above the EMA. Now it might be breaking down. Yep. It doesn't seem to want to go any further. Or maybe it does. There we go. Patience is a virtue. Wow. Wow. Out with two. Swirling a bit here. Hopefully it stops. There we go. Falling about 20 points behind. Tighten that up a little bit. Yep, stop. Yep, swirling again. All of a sudden my internet must be having a little bit of an issue. Remember to hit the live button. So you get back to live, get rid of any delay. About 20 minutes left in the stream. I think this is going to pull back here. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, so, whoops. Yeah. So I messed that up. There we go. So there's a small win there on the micros. Still trying to head up. RJ said if he can get above 219, then he thinks 285. Still rising up here. I got out around 70. It's going up to 90. Run for 200. There's 200. That's you can see we're at that same spot that we keep getting rejected. There's a break. Good morning, James. Spread on the pig. What do you mean? Speaking of pig, how are lean hogs this morning? Been a nice little sugar candle there. James, I'm confused. When I think spread, I'm thinking bid-ask spread, and I'm seeing a two-tick spread. Oh, what spread are we talking about? Of course, I am on micros. Hold on. Make sure that I'm not missing. No, yeah, I'm seeing a two-tick spread of regular mini as well. Yeah, I'm, up here you can see top right-hand corner, my spread here. It shows it in the middle. And it's running between 2 and 3 ticks, which is normal. One, the sure you're on the right contract and not like a contract for like far, far away. No data for that. I don't know. I'm not sure why you're seeing a spread that big. I'm not sure what's going on there. So we rejected again there. That cannot eat up that supply. To get up to 12,209, still not. It's not the high of the morning nor of the Quebec. So is it just NQ? I mean, are you seeing that on your off on like ES and anything else? Yeah, you have some sort of data issue there, definitely. Pull back. So once again, it tried and failed. Got a little higher. Did a little engine that. Yeah, easy for me to say. Little engine that could. Think I can. Think I can. Think I can. Oops, I guess not. I know it's not how the story went, but hey. Oh wow, yeah. UltraBond spiked nicely. Look at that move. Hi, Ace. Have you gotten 2 points yet? What account glitch? Who you with? Uh, there's a trigger candle back up. So, oh wait, what am I looking at? Never mind. That's a 5-minute chart. No wonder. Well, that was a nice trigger candle in the 5-minute chart. Anyway, yeah, we're bouncing off the EMA. Um, I will say this. I know Apex is trying to roll over to their own server on Rhythmic. I don't know whether that has anything to do with issues you're having with Apex. Uh, so I'm not sure. Apex has also started putting a whole bunch of people on live accounts, so I'm not sure what's going on with that either. Okay, so it's not just you, Glitch. You probably want to check with someone might want to check with Apex's support. There's the rise up, just burst up through. There's the burst through. Well, there's the hit 219. It just hit Globex high and burst through. So this is a beautiful move up. It did come up and pull back and then reloaded and pushed through that supply that yeah, someone was talking about, but name slips me now. It's here somewhere. Kieran, that's who was talking about it. Hit a high of 223 now. And rising. How high is the NQ, ma? 225 and a rising. I started listening to his book once. And so we hit 227 and big rejection here, 25 points back down, under 200. So it did not like it up there. Oh, sorry to hear that, Chef. I put the word out on the Discord. Everyone seemed to ignore me. That Apex seems to be having rhythmic issues. That's possible too. So we definitely had to. Well, soybeans were down today. Corn was all erratic. Thought I saw wheat. No, wheat made a comeback. Don't call it a comeback. Forgot about wheat. Yeah, look at that move on the UltraBond in the last hour. Up. Full point. I will say if Tostep ends up going away here because I can't pass it, I am really gonna miss trading on Trade and TradingView. I really don't like trading on NinjaTrader. It is making another run. We are at the 11 o'clock hour. Let's hang here. I think it's starting to make it look like it's coming down. Up, failure, try to get back up there, failure. We'll see. Just hang out here for a few more minutes and see which way it wants to go. I actually did have an account with them once. I failed it, but you know what? I was using TradingView exclusively instead of Trade08, and I think I uh, I didn't realize how much lag there was on the TradingView platform. So I seem to be okay. I didn't get any disconnect notices. Yeah, do that, Chef, if you wouldn't mind. Now Ace Trades doesn't do prop. Ace is his own account with, I think, AMP futures. Is that right, Ace? We're just hanging right around 200. Oh, Ninja Brokerage. I was close. I mean, I'm running 20 sim accounts on Ninja on Rhythmic and not having an issue. That's a trigger. You can see we started off green. Connection lost. Okay. Not sure why I was thinking AMP. I don't know. So nope, not coming down yet. Or, I mean, it's trying to come right back up. Technically a trigger candle up, but I definitely don't trust it here. Getting a little extra ox here. I have an offer you can't refuse. So we're dancing right around 200, 12,200. And ox don't dance. Even when I had 2 legs, I couldn't dance. Yep, it's rising up. Can it break back above 220? Yeah, there it goes. Nope, maybe. Yep, there it goes. So here I did think we were coming down. We did not, and look at that burst. Word. 45-point candle here. Out of nowhere. Just that little nice little dip down and rip up. RJ called 285 earlier. Crypticon, you are so awesome. I wish I could trade like you for 2 days. That's all I need is 2 days. So, getting ready to wrap up here. We're back on Sharevision tonight, 7:45 Eastern Time. And back here tomorrow morning. We have more news tomorrow, by the way, guys. Not only do we have the weekly jobless claims, we also have, I remember there was something else, U.S. retail sales, U.S. Philly Fed Business Index, and the New York Fed Manufacturing, U.S. import prices, and then later on in the morning we have U.S. industrial production. And we finalize all that with U.S. natural gas. But Friday appears to be not too much. Appreciate that, Chef. Shot through the heart. You're to blame. So I think we're going to call it there for the day. Yeah, I would appreciate that, Chef. Yeah, going to call it there for the day. Down big as usual. I shouldn't say as usual, but just not a good day, not a good week. Um, try and do better tonight on Sharevision, tomorrow here on YouTube. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you tonight or tomorrow. Have a great day, everyone. Bye. 7:45 Eastern. Well, 7:35 is when I actually started, but I start talking at 7:45 Eastern. Catch y'all later. Bye, Z's. I hope you enjoyed today's live stream. If you did, I'll love if you hit the thumbs up button. Remember, we do stream every morning on YouTube and Twitch from 7:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. and every evening on Sharevision from 7:45 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. and every Friday from 2 to 4 p.m. Also, I'd love to have you follow me on social media. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram at MightyOxTrading, and Reddit at r/oxmarkettrading. Have a great day.